A cowboy with toilet paper?
What on earth?
Oh, crap.
What is going on here?
Do you have to use the bathroom?
No, I already did. I took this out of the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Who are you?
My name is Adam Winrich. I'm 40 years old from Fall Creek, Wisconsin.
And what is your act, Adam?
My act is mainly whip cracking.
So do you make a living by whipping? Wiping? What?
Wiping, whipping. Yeah, we got it covered. Yeah, I make a living traveling around the country, and we do Renaissance festivals.
What is the plan with this? Where do you want to go with your wiping? Whipping?
My hope is to do it for as long as I can do it, hopefully into my 60s, maybe even to my 70s.
Okay, perfect. Then we're ready for you.
And one other thing I was going to say before I get going, I will need a volunteer. I want to say that first.
Sophia, 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 Sophia. Yes!
Why me?
Don't worry
Where do
about
you
it.
want me?
Stand right there, please. So, Sophia, have you ever had a whip cracked around you before?
I'm not gonna say that to you.
That means yes.
Not on a stage.
Not a
Like AGT.
Fair enough. Okay, here we go.
No, wait. Do I have to close my eyes or something?
If you want to.
You'll be fine. Just don't move.
Are you ready?
No.
Here we go. Here we go. More!
I am dead inside. That was horrible.
Do you need toilet paper?
Not yet.
Well, actually, you do. That was a great setup. Thank you, Heidi. Hold on to that right there. And you're just going to do a big arm swing all around your head.
Hey, let him concentrate. Now he's gonna.
I never thought about that.
All right, just do a big arm swing all the way around your head.
I know. I feel
That was better.
That was so good.
I want to go home.
We made a little bit of a mess, Sophia. Do y'all want to see a big mess? Of course they do.
Please.
Oh, no! What's he gonna do with that?
Sophia, if you would come over here, please. This is the funnest part.
Huh?
You get to shoot me with a toilet paper cannon. Put it on your hip. When I say go, you just roll that button all the way forward.
And then what?
You'll see. Sophia, you ready? And go!
Go, Sophia!
Thank you so much.
That was the most scary thing I've ever felt.
Do you know what it was? And I really felt bad for you.
But you look fabulous.
I did a good job.
Yeah, you look great.
You did excellent. Yeah.
Yeah, you did.